Hey guys, this is just a quick lifestyle clip. I've got here one of the organic veg boxes that I do here. Really simple idea. Just one time a week I'll do an order, and then the clients just pre-pay that train here. They pay $50 for a box, and then they get $40 worth of produce. In that box, this week we've got broccoli, so we've got big bulk. The broccoli, we've got some pumpkin, cauliflower, some parsley, some leek, turmeric, avocados. We've got 8 avocados, pretty awesome. Parsley and coriander, and fennel, tomatoes. Got about a kilo of beetroot each, bok choy, and celery, and a little bit of taro as well, which is really nice to make chips with. So how it works, they basically, order every week, prepaid. I order it online, get it wholesale, so it's quite cheap. We had 9 people this week, so I just spent $360 and got, I think it was about 5 of the bulk boxes. They're about 10 kilos each, and then kind of assortments of the other things. Really easy way to keep everybody healthy and make it affordable to eat good organic produce. Because normally if you went to one of the retailers, they have to make money and have to pay their bills and their rents and their expenses, so I don't need to make that much from it, so I can get it to them quite cheap, and then that way you get good veggies for yourself. So I get a box myself, plus I make $10 per box. So it's pretty simple, easy thing you can do. Enjoy, get into it, make it happen, help people get healthy. See ya.